Hello, amazing All-Stars. We are about to look at our number corner for Wednesday, May 11th. We found out yesterday that Tad the frog had jumped from the number 57 all the way back to 54. And we marked 54 in our book. Let's find out where Tad jumps this day. As we continue, he's on the number 54 and he jumped up to and over to the right one. Up to and over to the right one. So we're going to pull out our math books that have the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. As you can see on the screen, we're turning it to page 63. Page 63. Pause the video now if you need to make sure you have this book and this page turned, because you know we're using this book every day for Number Corner and you need to color in some things in your book. Once you do have it on page 63, you are going to look at your grid. Now, going back to our calendar, we said that Tad was on 54 and he moved up to and over to the right one. So let's see if we can do that. He was on 54 and he went up. And let's do this. We're going to do two things. If he goes up 1, 2, you know when we go up on our hundreds chart, we're subtracting 10 each time we move up. So if we go up 2, we're subtracting 10 one time, which would give us 44, and then 10 one more time, which would give us 34, and then over to the right one, which gives us the number 35. So then we added 1 to it, and it makes 35. So we're coloring in now the number 35. Wait a minute, this looks cute. Looks like you have some eyes and a little nose and a big smile below. Look at that. How cute. We have our number 35. 35 is our last number. So we'll take all of this off. And I'll get that shortly. But what I want to do now is go into our days in school. We're adding another day. This is amazing how time is flying. We're on day 154. Before I go into that much, let's go into this first. Let's go into this and make sure we add another day on our chart, which makes 154. Now we can go here. I'm going to change this color. We need our red, a big bold color. 154 is the number. 100, one group of 100, 50, 5 groups of 10, and 4 ones makes 150 plus 4. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 4 makes 154. Then we have 100 cents, 4 quarters, 5 dimes, 50 cents, and now 4 pennies that equal 154. This number is going to be very important for something we're about to do. Our 154th day in school means that today you are going to do something extra special, and I think you'll love it. You are going to pull that math book out again. It should be right next to you. You just used it a moment ago. And you are going to make sure you have that book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. You're going to turn that book to page 68. 68. You are going to right here, just where I'm showing, there's a little line on page 68. It says, write the number of days you have been in school. You're going to write 154. 154. I'm going to write that number right here. And then you have a special job to do, All-Stars. Your job is to color in. Yes, you're going to do it. 154 boxes on this page. Now keep in mind, if you fill in this whole area and color it all in, that's 100. And this is a group of 25 here and another group of 25. So if you color in the bottom half of this would be 150. And then you just have to color in 1, 2, 3, 4 more boxes. I'll repeat that again, just in case you didn't hear me. If you color in this entire box, all 4 of the smaller groups, you'll have 100 boxes colored in just that quickly. This part here is a group of 25, so that would be 125. And then if you color in this part of it, it would be 150, just that quickly. Then if you color in 151, 2, 3, 4. If you color just 4 more boxes in, you'll have 154. If for some reason this is confusing to you and you say, wait a minute, Mrs. Graham, can I see what that looks like? I'm going to show you what it looks like now. If you look at this, that's what this is. We've colored in all 100. Then we colored in 50 more and 4 here. So if this page gets a little confusing, do not forget, if this page gets confusing with coloring it in, do not forget you can always look at this page right here as a reminder of what your page should look like. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Off you go.